How to share NGL link on Facebook Myday. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share NGL link on Facebook Myday. First of all, open up the NGL app on your phone. Once you get into its app, click to copy link of your NGL link. And when you copied the link from here, head to your Facebook account. Once you open up the Facebook app, tap on Create a Story from the home page. Now, choose the text format for your story. Then, simply tap to paste the NGL link in here. After pasting the link, adjust it on your story. Once you're satisfied, tap to share it. Now, wait for your story to be uploaded. Then, the story is uploaded. Tap to view it. Now your NGL link will be usable. Simply just tap on it and use it. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.